In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your personal Gmail account to make.com. This is a quick 5-minute tutorial designed to guide you step by step through the process. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, we want to head over to make.com. For those who might not be familiar, Make is an automation software that empowers you to seamlessly connect various apps and design workflows tailored to your needs. It's an incredibly useful tool for streamlining your daily digital tasks. Once you're on the website, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner. Click on that. If you're new to make.com, you'll need to create an account to proceed. Otherwise, go ahead and log in with your existing credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at the Make Home dashboard. From this dashboard, you have an overview of your current workflows and automations. Our goal today is to create a new scenario that involves connecting our Gmail account. To do this, look for the option labeled New Scenario. This can be found on the dashboard's main page, usually marked with a prominent button. Go ahead and click on New Scenario, which will guide you to a page where you can design and build your automation. Here, you'll find a button labeled Add. Click on this, and a search bar will appear, allowing you to find different apps. Type Gmail into the search bar. As you type, you'll notice several options appearing in the drop-down menu. Simply clicking on Gmail will initiate the process of linking your Gmail account. Now that we've selected Gmail, our next task is to choose an action. The actions you select depend entirely on what you want your Gmail to do within your automation. Whether it's sending an email, checking for new messages, or another function, choose the action that best fits your needs. With your action in place, the next step involves creating the actual connection to your Gmail account. Look for a button or link that says Create a Connection and click on it. This will prompt a series of steps that allow make.com to securely connect to your Gmail account. Keep in mind, you'll need to grant permission for Make to access your Gmail. This is a necessary step that ensures the platform can interact with your emails and carry out the actions you've specified. Once everything is set up, the connection is now established, and you can proceed to test the scenario to ensure everything works as intended. And there you have it. A straightforward way to link your personal Gmail to make.com. With this connection in place, you can now enhance your productivity and streamline your email-related workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!